It's go time.
Yay!
Let's go. We just finished. I don't know, 18 hours, something like that. Here's what it looks like. Okay, there's the 2,000 marker. And then we just go, it goes to heaven. We're trying to get in we're cheating our way in.
Yeah.
We're just climbing those stairs.
I'm waiting for a chariot, like Elijah.
6 months into retirement, we find ourselves getting rained on in a mountaintop. What do you think, Beth? Are you liking that?
Let's go.
Up we go. Hey all! We made it to the top of South Dakota.
Yay! 11th peak.
Number 11.
Yes.
Davey, come here. Come.
Good girl.
What are you doing?
Again, went from high tech, high stress, and moving along my retirement path. Hopefully my experience and Beth's experience will help inspire you as well as help you in your path, both getting to retirement as well as in it.